Here we go again. So, I look like a bag of ass. My face is going through it right now. I think it's still angry about me switching birth control. Nothing I can do about it other than put some makeup on it. But for now, you're gonna have to deal with it. I also might be out of center. Who knows? I'm a shit show. So, anyway, it's September, which means I can say it's fall. Fuck yeah. And, wanted to do some fall tone shit again. That's not gonna be revolutionary, but it's gonna be fun while I'm doing it. Okay. So, yeah. Sit back, relax, and here we go. Ooh, also my brows are massive. The fuck? I didn't notice that till just now. I have not tweezed them or done anything to them all summer. And they're wild, and I don't even think they're related anymore, so. Anywho. actually really like how this turned out, and I'm not usually a big fan of red eyeshadow, and I'm really close to the camera right now. Anyway, yeah, I'm really digging these all over colors, especially like just a little bit of smoky. It's really weird seeing myself with black eyeliner on my lower lash line. I haven't done that in a really long time, or even having mascara on my lower lash line, but I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, I shall catch you later. How old am I? Literally, that was 7th grade. Ugh, I hate myself.